Saxton, but it's happening.
Fast press! Fast press! Hey now, not so fast. He's not letting him get involved.
I like this aggression, just pure brutality.
Come on, easy. He took care of that in a hurry. Ooh. Ooh, double axe handle.
Thunderous clothesline. Sent flying out of the ring here.
Lee's in a very vulnerable position here.
Up and over, over and
Oh, there it is. The mandible. It's locked in.
That's it. It's done.
Ooh, vicious kick to the spine. He may be thinking high risk.
Watching.
He fails to connect.
Ah, what a smash. That is just insulting.
From the top. Nobody home. What an impact. Countering that offense. Hoisted up high here. Sweeps the legs. Crushing double stomp. Heel hook. Look at this. Oh, that's so painful.
It's hard to watch, too. Vicious, downright savage club right there. Saw what was coming and got out of dodge. Broke loose here.
Are you surprised, Byron?
I guess I shouldn't be.
And now he's going to the top rope.
And an elbow drop to follow.
No one is safe in a bloodline match. No.